Ever wonder what keeps salespeople motivated, pushing that extra mile to close deals and smash targets? Sure, hefty commissions are great, but is there something more? Something that taps into that competitive spirit, the desire to be recognized and rewarded? Enter SPIFFs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of SPIFFs, exploring why these programs are used, the different types, and how they can supercharge your sales force. So, buckle up, grab a notebook, or that handy notepad app on your phone, because we're about to unlock the secrets of sales gamification. Why use SPIFFs? Okay, let's face it. Sales can be a grind. Rejection, missed quotas, and a saturated market can all chip away at even the most enthusiastic salesperson. SPIFFs are a way to inject some excitement, a shot of adrenaline into the sales process. Here's how. Motivation boost. Picture this, you're neck and neck with a colleague for the top spot on the monthly leaderboard. A SPIFF for exceeding a certain sale target could be the difference between bragging rights and a sweet bonus. Suddenly, that extra phone call, that late-night email follow-up, doesn't seem so daunting anymore. Targeted performance. Let's say you want to push a specific product or service. A targeted SPIFF can incentivize salespeople to focus their efforts where they'll yield the most revenue. This laser focus translates to increased sales in specific areas. Positive reinforcement. Human beings crave recognition. SPIFFs provide a clear and immediate way to acknowledge and reward outstanding performance. A public announcement, a name on the SPIFF winner's board, that little pat on the back, all these things reinforce positive sales behavior. Healthy competition. A little friendly competition can be a beautiful thing. SPIFFs can create a healthy rivalry amongst your team, motivating everyone to strive for that top spot. But remember, it's about collaboration, not cutthroat tactics. Types of SPIFFs. Alright, we're sold on the benefits, but what do SPIFFs actually look like? Here's a breakdown of the most common types. Sales volume, the classic SPIFF. Reward salespeople based on the total amount they sell in a specific time frame. Simple, effective, and perfect for driving overall sales growth. Unit sales, need to push a specific product line? Offer a SPIFF for each unit sold. This is a great way to clear out inventory or introduce a new product. New customer acquisition, want to expand your customer base? Offer a SPIFF for every new customer brought on board. This incentivizes salespeople to seek out fresh opportunities. Short-term goals, need to close out the month strong? A short-term SPIFF targeting specific sales goals within a limited time frame can provide that extra push when it matters most. Referral bonus, turning customers into brand advocates is gold. Offer a SPIFF for each successful customer referral, expanding your reach and leveraging the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Designing effective SPIFF programs. SPIFFs are powerful tools, but like any tool, they need to be used effectively. Here are some key things to consider when designing your SPIFF program. Alignment with goals. Make sure your SPIFFs are directly tied to your overall sales objectives. Are you trying to boost revenue? Increase market share? Focus your SPIFFs accordingly. Clarity and communication. Clearly define the terms and conditions of your SPIFF program. What are the goals? How are rewards calculated? Leave no room for confusion. Attainable goals, set realistic targets. If the SPIFFs are too easy to achieve, they lose their motivating power. On the other hand, if they're too difficult, they can be demoralizing. Find the sweet spot. Reward variety. Not everyone is motivated by the same thing. Offer a variety of rewards beyond just cash. Think gift cards, team outings, extra vacation days, tailor it to your team's preferences. Tracking and measurement. Monitor your SPIFF program's effectiveness. Are you seeing a positive impact on sales performance? Adjust and fine-tune as needed. The final word on SPIFFs. SPIFFs, when implemented strategically, can be a game-changer for your sales team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on selling.